Hi Birmingham City Council, I'm so happy that you clicked on my video, so thank you. As you can tell, I've dressed for the occasion. I'm just joking, by the way. I'm a big fan of the work you guys do for our wonderful city, from Simon, Amy, Grace, David Wells, Sarah Plant, my favorite, and Kate Edwards. You guys are superstars, and I'm just saying this. I've looked at all the applications you got, not all of them, but most of our applications, and I can see the work and the effort you put in to make sure our city is transformed. So I say thank you from the bottom of my heart, and also thank you. So I know you're super busy, so I'll make this very quick. So thank you for sparing me a couple of minutes of your time. Thank you for watching the video. So I'm going to jump straight in. When I finished university, I realized there was a problem. I could not afford the so-called build-to-rent schemes today because they're super expensive. Like, for example, the ones today currently, they are anything from £1,200 to £1,500. It does not include the bills. So for me, as a student finishing my education, I graduated whilst waiting for a job. Even when I got a job, I had to stay in a HMO because they were affordable, and it gave me an opportunity to interact with other people. So I really like the HMOs, which obviously covers all the bills. So for me, I think the HMO product, if it's done correctly, and I like the fact we are in Article 4, if it's done correctly, it could be a really good thing because it's affordable living. And I think you guys support the notion that it does have, or finds, well, it has a place within our city. I'm going to jump straight in. So the reason why I want you to watch this video, I would like to introduce to you Generis co-living HMO, a slightly bigger HMO, but it has more things. For example, it covers, it's all inclusive, the bills, the rent, and maybe have things that, like a gym. They don't have to pay for a gym elsewhere. They can save money, and it helps with the well-being. And I think it's a really good opportunity for not just only having a wonderful place to stay in or to live, you can also work out within the same place. Also maybe have a nice work area where people can interact, besides obviously having a kitchen. But let me just show you why I'm explaining more context. So you can see we've got a floor plan, which is indicative, by the way. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, all the way to 9. We've got a living room, kitchen. This is just indicative, by the way. And to make sure we have all the amenities, maybe on the ground floor, the top floor, having a courtyard outside for people to interact. These are HMO, they're not flats. They're C4 units, not see-through at all. So again, the issue I have, or no, it's not an issue per se, but the biggest challenge for people within the city centre core, they want to stay in the city centre core, save money on transportation, enjoy the wonderful social experiences the Birmingham Council offer, but they can't stay within the city because the build-to-rent flats are not affordable for everyone. So I'm hoping to bring those same people back within our wonderful city to make sure we can introduce the co-living to Generis, purpose-built within the city centre core, and to make sure we can introduce affordable rent, because the build-to-rent schemes are very expensive. So with your support, I'm hoping I can present my proposition, because you and I know getting to the stage of pre-app is going to be very costly. So I would love to talk to you guys. I'm happy you're watching my video. I would love your feedback. Cities like London, Manchester, Brighton, very similar to Birmingham, they've introduced this because they realize there's a space for it if it's done correctly. We're going to introduce state-of-the-art rooms, better working experience, way better than the HMO, the standard HMO. In fact, the HMOs are really, really good today. The really good ones are so good, are premium products. So we want to introduce cluster flats across 6 stories, for example. With your support, we can introduce this. I would like to resolve the affordable rental market within the city centre core, because these built rents are only going to get more expensive. So by introducing the Generis co-living scheme within the city centre core, for example, the east side, the west side, across our districts within city centre core, we can improve affordable living for blue-collar workers, people that finish, postgrads, and you name it. So with your support, Simon and the team, like I said, I'm a big fan of what the work you guys are doing, and I love the opportunity for you guys to kind of go through my scheme and let me know what your thoughts are. So thank you so much for watching my video.